Hello, welcome to EiE's Professional Development Experience for Computer Science Essentials. This program will help you prepare to develop your students' foundational computer science skills. The cycles in this series are designed to help you explore the curriculum and the variety of supports available to engage students in learning. In this cycle, Fostering EiE Habits of Mind, you begin the journey with a valuable first step: understanding the importance of problem-solving mindset. You problem solve in your everyday life. Often it comes so naturally that you may not stop to consider the questions you ask and the steps you take to find solutions. The goal of this cycle is to introduce you to a framework for problem solving and some questions to ask along the way. These tools will help you and your students think like computer scientists. You'll begin each cycle with the Spark video. Then you will progress through Reflect, Tinker, and Grow. These sections guide you through targeted reflection and learning, tinkering in your practice, and growing as you reflect on what you've learned. Be sure to check out the other resources sections for more information and support. Allow this video to reach the end before moving on to the reflection section of this cycle. Enjoy your learning journey.